What is it about this name and his editing style? I'll be doing justice to that, so brace up and meet me in class now.
Alright, so the first stage is to pick one of the footage by opening a new project. Then you're going to add overlay. Then pick one of the green screen effect that we are going to be using to expose the video underneath. So after picking the green screen effect, which we have downloaded from the internet, you use the chroma key from the remove background icon. Then we slide it up. So after sliding it up, you can see on the screen it's going to review what is under. It's going to review the video under the effect. So we make sure it is properly arranged. Then we export. Alright, so for the next one, you are going to expand. Then pick remove background and pick one of the pictures we want to remove the image from, the image we are going to be using. So that's it right there. Then boom, the AI is going to help us remove that image smoothly. Then we export and move to the real deal. Then we open a new project and pick a picture we are going to be using for the background. AI generated, of course. So that is it right there. So I've picked one, and that is what I'm going to be using for the background. So I'm picking overlay, then adding the picture I cut out earlier on. Then after doing that, I'm going to add an animation to it. So R is going to enter. So I'm picking slide up. So I'm going to duplicate this because I'm going to be needing both. So as you can see right there on the screen, so I'm going to adjust this because I'm going to make the video a little longer. Alright, so after doing that, I pick the top one, then come down and pick mask. Alright, so I'm going to pick the horizontal, then use my two thumbs to slide it up. So I'm going to cut out the unwanted part that I don't want, so as to create the animated photo I want. So I'm picking the second footage, but this time around I'm going to use the circle to remove the head alone. You understand where I'm going to when I start doing this. As you can see, so I'm going to remove the head alone and adjust it properly. So after doing that, I'm going to go to basic. Alright, that's it. So I'm going to pick rotate, then I'm going to adjust it. Before doing that, I'm going to use my keyframe. As you can see, I'm adjusting it, so it's just to create that effect that the head is shaking. I hope you can get it from there. So you can come back and watch this so you can get it properly. It's not that hard. So at this point, I'm just going to leave you to watch the screen and see what I'm going to do next. Please don't blink, else you're going to miss it.